So you might be running into a situation where for some reason someone else is trying to change your Facebook password and you're getting notified of it somehow and you're trying to go and fix it. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend thinking about is within Facebook, there's a lot of different things going on. But the very first thing I'd recommend kind of doing here and keeping in mind is that if someone kind of has access to your email, your password, or your phone number, they can attempt to change your password, but it doesn't mean they actually know your information. So double check what that email says. You want to double check that that email is not like some sort of scam or spam email. And you want to make sure that particular email isn't from like a different site that's claiming to be Facebook. Sometimes that might be the case. So just double check that. You want to make sure that's not the problem there. Now, if that is kind of looking like to be the problem or there's an issue with that, you want to just delete that email and just kind of disregard it. Now, another thing you're going to want to do here too is to just go through, if that is a real email, within your Facebook application, you have a couple of choices. You can either go through and go into your profile option that's in the bottom right corner, that little profile icon. You can tap on that. And when you tap on that, what's going to happen is it's going to go and allow you to come into this particular page. And from here, you can go through and basically change out. You can do settings and privacy, tap on your settings up here. You can go into your account center at the very top, and then you can go through and basically change out your password and security right here. And I'd highly recommend doing that, changing out password and security, because that's going to end up fixing the problem for you for the most part. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.